In this video, we're going to add some products to our store. Even though the menu item titled WooCommerce comes before products, I want to skip ahead. If it doesn't make sense why I chose to do this, then trust me, it will make sense later. The first thing you'll want to check is categories. Here, you must now type in the types of items you want to be selling in your store. Suppose we want to sell cellular mobile devices. Some of our categories might be Apple, Samsung, and Nokia. Each one asks for an optional thumbnail and description, which may or may not be needed depending on your theme and its options. Let's enter Apple, Samsung, and Nokia into our categories. Now we're ready to add products. However, if you expect to charge for shipping, there is one more thing. Shipping classes. Shipping classes can be used to group products of similar type. These groups can then be used by certain shipping methods to provide different rates to different products. The name is how it appears on your site. The slug is the URL-friendly version of the name. It is usually all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. The description is not prominent by default, however, some themes may show it. Now, go to Add Product. If you go to Add Product and see a huge text box below a title field, it might look familiar. If this looks familiar, it's because it's WordPress, except this is not an editor for a post or a page. This is the editor for your product. It looks exactly the same. Choose your category on the right, then down below, type in your tags. If you want to upload multiple images into your listing, you can. Simply click on Add Media and add photos of the product that you're selling. In the description box, you can also write a little about it. Alright? Now if you scroll down below to Product Data, you will see a drop-down box with 4 options. Most products listed on WooCommerce are simple. They don't have variations. They're what they are, alright? With no changes and no surprises possible. Some items, however, have variations. Those could be things like the size of a shirt or the color of the phone. To set up variables, go to Attributes, then next to Custom Product Attribute, click Add, and enter a name, color. Then enter the values separated by a pipe symbol. On the vast majority of keyboards, that's right next door to your Enter key. Then click Save. Then go to Variations. Here's where you can create your variations. There are many other exciting options. However, there are not any important ones for now. Those other options are not important for getting started. So for now, let's continue. You can skip custom fields unless you wish to pass metadata through your posts to your themes. This is for advanced users, so if you don't need it yet, have the confidence that you can always revisit it later when you do need it. You can enter a short description here, and before you hit submit, take a close look over everything and prepare your post with a few final touches or revisions if needed. Give it one last glance. Okay. Looks like we are all ready to post. Let's see how this product looks like in our browser. This concludes video 5. Congratulations! You have learned how to sell with WooCommerce. This hasn't been easy, but you've done what most people never get to do. You launched your own store. Way to go.